Hello, my name is Oscar Moreno with Moreno Custom Home Visions, and today we're going to teach you guys how to properly and safely use a jigsaw. Now, first thing I want to teach you guys is the operation of the jigsaw, the on and off switch and so forth. First, you're going to have to see here your basic on and off switch, which basically you pull it up, turns on, pull it back down, it's off. Another setting that you're going to need to know about is also your speed setting, which is located on the other side of your jigsaw. This helps you work with a little bit more control. When the jigsaw is running on high speed, it helps you cut things real quick and fast. But when you're trying to be more delicate and you're trying to be more accurate with your cutting, you want to slow down the speed and actually take your time, get to the joint, make a nice clean cut. Now, basically what people use jigsaws for is to get in where you can't use a regular circular saw, which has a round blade that doesn't really let you cut really sharp corners like this. So if you're trying to notch out a corner off of a piece of wood you're gonna see something there, then you're gonna try to use your jigsaw here to get a nice perfect cut. Or for another example is actually cutting out triangles into wood that gives you that nice clean crisp edge. So first thing what we're gonna do is we're going to line up our jigsaw so where we're going to start cutting. Before we get our jigsaw really close to that, we're going to turn it on and we're going to set it at a medium speed and go ahead and line ourselves up. Then we'll start cutting slowly and as calm as possible up to our first line. As you're working, you're going to want to use yourself or your air to blow away some of the debris out of the way. So as you're working, just take deep breaths and blow any of the dirt or any of the sawdust that's getting in your way. Then we can turn off our jigsaw, make sure it's completely off before you try to remove it or attempt to move it back for where it came from, because that's how usually you end up breaking your blades. So once you make sure that your jigsaw is off, go ahead and remove it from that space. Go ahead and start from the other corner and start cutting away. Once you reach to your corner that you want to finish cutting, turn off your jigsaw, make sure he stops moving, then you can remove him out of place. And that's pretty much how you basically safely use a jigsaw.